Welcome to our comparison of the DJI Mini 4K and the Screwbuzz drone. Today, we will dive into the features that set these two drones apart, including their camera capabilities, flight times, and prices. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, this video will help you make an informed decision. When it comes to camera quality, the DJI Mini 4K stands out with its impressive 4K UHD resolution, allowing for stunning video capture and sharp images. In contrast, the Screwbuzz drone offers a 2K HD camera, which, while decent, does not match the clarity and detail provided by the Mini 4K. This difference in camera quality can significantly impact your aerial photography and videography experience. In terms of flight time, the DJI Mini 4K offers an impressive maximum flight duration of 31 minutes on a single battery, making it ideal for extended aerial sessions. On the other hand, the Screwbuzz drone provides a total of approximately 30 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, but each battery only lasts around 15 minutes. This means that if you're looking for longer flights, the Mini 4K is the better choice. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The DJI Mini 4K is priced at $299, reflecting its advanced features and superior camera quality. In contrast, the Screwbuzz drone is a budget-friendly option at $159, making it an attractive choice for beginners who want to explore drone flying without a hefty investment. However, it's essential to weigh the cost against the features you value most. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4K is the superior choice for those who prioritize image quality and longer flight times, while the Screwbuzz drone offers excellent value for beginners on a budget. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone comparisons.